Hi, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Sean.
And I'm Shannon, and we're happy to have you here with us today.
So before we get started, I just wanted to take a second and say that if you guys have not subscribed to this channel, we'd really appreciate it if you did.
So on today's menu, we're going to be creating a breakfast pizza, and it's using ingredients that are similar to our scrambled egg breakfast muffins. And if you want to see that video, go ahead and check out the description below, and there will be a link. And it's also using similar ingredients to our delicious spicy Bloody Mary.
So get ready, because we food hard. Okay, before we get the breakfast pizza built, I'm going to walk you through the list of ingredients that we have. So I have some pizza dough. Instead of sauce, we're actually going to use olive oil that I'll brush the dough with before we get it started. I have some bacon that I pre-cooked, and I also have some bulk sausage that I browned in the oven. I have some pepperjack cheese that I shredded, some sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded, and then to top it all off, I'm going to crack 2 eggs on top of this thing. Let's get it started. Okay, so now that the pizza is dressed, we're going to throw it in an oven that we preheated to 450 degrees, and it's going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on the crust to make sure it comes up nice and that my eggs are fully cooked and the cheese is nicely melted. We'll see you when it's done. Okay, so our pizza's out of the oven. It cooked for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. I will say that I am not 100% happy with how this pizza came out. This is my first time putting egg on pizza, and I think what I would do differently is I would have scrambled it and drizzled it across the pizza instead of just cracking 2 eggs on top. The egg cooked in the middle, but it didn't really reach out to the sides where I thought it would go. So I just have some pretty well done cheese and 2 eggs cooked in the middle with my bacon and my sausage around it. The crust did turn out pretty good. Again, we're cooking at 450 degrees, so we're not gonna have that real flashy burnt look on the outside, but we're gonna cut it. We'll give it a shot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, work hard, food harder.